Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to track subscriptions with the Bobby app. We're going to open the Bobby app right now, and here on the home page at the top right corner you can tap on the plus icon right there to add a subscription in order to track it. We're going to give an example. Tap on the plus icon and then go through the options available. You can see it's currently on the popular tab at the top. You can tap on all to see others. So if we go on popular, we can choose say Netflix. And here you're going to put in the amount of your Netflix subscription. It's currently at $7.99. We're just going to leave it at that. So we're going to leave the name at Netflix in the description, which is going to say personal. You can also put it in a category. When we tap in categories, we could also select personal that has been created already. And then you could tap on the more options. It's a drop down and you could put the date for the first bill. Say we put the first bill at October 22, say done. And the cycle is every month. Duration forever, remind me never. No, we're going to change that to remind me 2 days before. Great, so we can say done, and you're going to get a reminder from the Bobby app that your subscription is about to expire. This way it's actually tracking your subscription for you. And now that we're done with everything, we're going to tap on add at the top right corner, and now we have Netflix added to our Bobby app. This way we're going to get our reminders and track our subscriptions with the Apple Music and with Netflix at the right time. You could of course add other subscriptions just to keep track of everything. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to track subscriptions with the Bobby app.